Hey, Reddick back again. After a short period of time, I finally had the time to finish a long-term project. Last year I had the chance to grab this thing in US, and Boba Fett from the I-saber forums was so kind to buy this thing in US and ship it to me. So I already had the chance to grab one of these beauties. Right now they are really hard to get. Maybe they make a relaunch of this, but right now you barely cannot buy this blaster at all. It's made in China. I converted it for sure. It has a Blaster Core V4 in it, and I want to show you the main features of the main original blaster. You see here the arrow. It's possible to change the front section in these two directions very easily. It also comes with a flashlight, which is a bit tricky to turn on. Don't know why, but it works. And you can click it on here on the blaster. Looking very cool. It originally comes with a 3-point laser pointer, which I decided to make a switch over here. You can see it, yeah, here it is. So if you turn the switch on, you can see the laser pointer over here, so in that direction. Maybe you can see the lasers here, yeah, you can see the beams. And it also had an extra battery solution, the original battery solution. Let's show this very fast. If we have a screwdriver, let's open up here. Here basically the battery is inside. Now it's housing the Blaster Core soundboard. So you can see it here. I have glued in a piece of leather to protect the soundboard from any touching. Here's the soundboard, very easy SD card access, and also a very basic installation, by the way. No raylets or something else, very basic, very original game-like blaster. Built. Underneath you can see the original batteries for the laser section. So if the laser don't work anymore, you only have to change these two batteries and it's ready for use again. The soundboard itself has the sound solution from 7.4 volt lithium-ion batteries placed here. Maybe you have seen the pics I did online for this one. There you can all see the wiring stuff and so on. The speakers, I have two speakers wired on this board. The first one is on the right side. You can see here some holes I drilled to let the sound come through, very hidden. The other speaker is on the other side, also here in this direction. So two speakers, one sounding here and one on the other side. Recharge port over here. You can see it. Kill key we have here. And the aux button is over here. Tiny switch, very hidden. So let's turn this beauty on.
This is an M41A pulse rifle, 10mm, an over and under 30mm pump-action grenade launcher.
So you can see. Wait a moment, I'll turn the light on. Let's get some light to see better. So, well, this is the Alien 3 font I designed for this piece. So, reloading sound. By pressing the aux button you get to the grenade mode. Press the aux again. You are back in the main firing mode. Pressing both buttons, the main trigger and the aux button, you hear a beep. Pressing the aux again, then you come in the main menu. So now we're in the main menu. There are 6 fonts on it, all made by myself.
Looking good. I'm Deckard Blade Runner.
Switched over.
Ishimura, this is the Kellyan.
Font 1.
What is your status? Over.
This is the original Dead Space font.
I'm Deckard Blade Runner.
Deckard Blade Runner from the Blade Runner movie. The Half-Life 2 font.
I want to introduce you to a personal friend.
The Pulse Rifle font.
He's no good to me dead.
Boba Fett.
Looking good, Dutch.
And Arnold Schwarzenegger from Potato 1. This is more a fun sound font from me. And there is also the I-saber function. You can listen to WAV music files you can put on the SD card, and then you can listen to it. So let's...
Ishimura, this is the Kellyan. What is your status? Over.
Let me showcase the Dead Space plasma cutter font I did for this blaster. If you want to choose one font, then press the aux button and hold it.
Ishimura, this is the Kellyan. What is your status? Over. Ishimura, prepare to be boarded.
Grenade mode. Reload. So this is the Dead Space font. There are 8 different blaster sounds, always randomized. Alright, let's go with that. So, let's go back in the main menu, listen to some music.
Ishimura, this is the Kellyan. What is your status? Over.
Let's go turn the line off again. So well, I decided to put this beauty for sale in the next days. And yeah,
I'm Deckard Blade Runner.
a very cool Dead Space 2 collectible. Mainly this gun is built from Isaac Clarke through the game. He finds parts and modifies it, and at the end this blaster comes out.
I want to introduce you to a personal friend.
He's no good to me dead. Looking good, Dutch.
Let's go to the music mode. There are 3 tracks from Dead Space on it and some from Blade Runner. And I also want to show you now the case. The case for it. I don't have the original case for it because for shipping reasons from the US it was much cheaper to ship it without a case. And I designed the case by myself over here in Austria. Here you can see a brand new 10H charger that comes with it, with the adapter and the extra cables what comes. I only have an American plug over here, but it's very easy to find an adapter. The flashlight is over here. Some keys.
Ishimura, this is the Kellyan.
Some keys
What
for
is your
the
status?
case
Over.
itself. Well, here we have also an antenna paper. Oh, sorry. What comes with the charger. And I also had written a piece of paper where the basic information for the handling and technical information from the blaster on it, the fonts, and where you can find the Blaster Core V4 manual to read everything you need to know about this beauty. So, well, I hit pause mode. Well, so you can see that's the case for it. It fits perfect inside. Then we have over here, let's put the kill key in, that cuts the power from the blaster. Here you can see a covering plate, which fits also very great on it. Let's turn the light on again. You can see how it looks like. Well, that is the package what comes to you. I hope you like my work I did for this. And well, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.